Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing how to create a bar chart using Excel. So we'll see the data visualization tool, bar chart. So in Excel, bar chart is one of the visualization where you can help represent data visually so that it will be more clear, more precise way to understand the data. So it is an effective for presenting data in a clear and comparison manner using bar chart, which makes it easier to understand the trends, understand the differences of different sales or whatever. So you can use any example data set, like for example, you can see the monthly sales figure, or you can see the yearly trend, anything. So here I have one sample data, which is talks about, it has two columns basically. One is city, one is sales. So I have different cities like Madrid, Boston, Barcelona, Nashville, and corresponding sale, month sale. I have this. So let's create a bar chart using this data. So first thing, open Excel, create a new spreadsheet. Second step, just enter the data, or if you have any already existing data, just import it. Just select the data for which you want to create a bar chart. Then go to insert at the top. Then click on this bar chart, more option. I can just select the first one, 2D column chart. So the resulting bar chart, it will just represent the bars for this varying sale. So each representing the data point. So which makes it easier to understand. So let's see some formatting options for this bar chart. So if you just go to chart or design, you can have various options here. Let me go with this theme. You can also select the style option. Just select this chart, select the style option. So here also you'll face you can fetch the same thing. So the insight from this plot is San Diego is contributing the highest amount of sale, followed by maybe your New York City. So within a minute, I can understand which region or which city is performing better, right? Yes. So this is about bar chart in Excel.